Alright, hello. So my name is Jake. I'm an American living in Turkey. And I'm going to talk to you today about one of the week 1 topics. What I'm going to talk about is the types of microphones, but I'd like to first start by explaining how a microphone works in the first place, because I think that helps to really show the difference. It starts with this guy, Michael Faraday. So Faraday is really kind of the father of electromagnetism, I suppose. He showed that if you take a coil of wire and pass it through a magnetic field, that wire will then produce a charge. It will send through a voltage. So this really then becomes the basis for how microphones work. So we've got our two basic kinds of microphones. We have, first, this is the dynamic mic, and then this one over here would be our condenser mic. The dynamic mic works pretty straightforward, almost exactly the same way as Faraday's experiment showed. So you first have your magnet, and then around that you've got a coiled wire. So then as sound waves come in, they move the magnet back and forth within that wire, thereby creating a very small voltage, which then is sent out and amplified by your preamp, and that's your signal. It's just a very basic sound pressure moving the magnet within the coil to create a sound. The condenser mic works a little bit differently in that it has two plates, and one of them is connected to a source of power. It could be a battery, it could be a line-in power. There are a couple of different setups. So basically what we have here is, because of the electricity that is created by this battery, when our sound waves come in, they move the plate here, which then interacts with the electricity flowing through the back plate, which is the same as passing through a magnetic field. So then your signal travels down the wire and to your output. Now, because this can be a higher power magnetic field, what you wind up with is a more sensitive microphone. So thank you for taking the time to check this out. I hope it helps to explain the difference in the two basic kinds of mics, and I hope it helped you.